Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the IIT Encoder. This is a video tutorial of Ref Round 1 on Codeforces conducted by Rafinson Bank. This is also an internship contest. So this is problem A, box is full. So in this there is a rabbit who is trying to move a box containing food for the rest of the zoo in the coordinate plane from the point x1 y1 to the point x2 y2. So he has a rope which he can use to pull the box. So this was a pretty easy question and a pretty straightforward question. So suppose there is a box somewhere on the coordinate plane, let that be origin for now. So we can place the rabbit either here, here, here or here at a distance of 1 unit. Okay, at a distance of 1 unit. So, and whichever direction in which we place the rabbit, we can move the box in that direction first. And suppose now the box comes here and the rabbit comes here. Okay, so this now the rabbit has to move either here or here, and he can drag the box to the left or the right. And this way we need to minimize the time it would take for the box to reach from x1 y1 to x2 y2. So this is a straightforward question. Suppose if x1 is equal to x2 or y1 is equal to y2. What does this mean? This means that either the final position is same as the x coordinate or it is same on the y coordinate. That means suppose I place the rabbit here or here. So let's take that the y coordinate is same. Okay, so and y2 is greater than y1. So I can place the rabbit here and drag it in y2 minus y1 time. And suppose the initial position is greater, then I can place the rabbit here and drag it in y1 minus y2 time. Right, so this was straightforward. Similarly, you can do it for like the same x coordinate. If x2 is greater than x1, then I can drag it in x2 minus x1 time. That means if either of the coordinates are equal, I can drag it in absolute of x2 minus x1 time. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Right? Either this is 0 or this is 0, and we get the answer. Now suppose none of them are 0, right? There is a position here and I need to drag the box here. So this time taken would be absolute difference of this length. Either it can be reversed here, 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 mirror image. Okay, now the rabbit is here, so it will take him 2 seconds to reach here. Okay, so the final answer would be absolute of x2 minus x1 plus absolute of y2 minus y1 plus 2 seconds for the rabbit to move from this position to here or this position to here. Okay, so I guess you got the point. Let me walk you through my code. So yeah, okay, so we just take the number of test cases, then we take x1 y1 x2 y2, and if either of x1 equal to x2 or y1 is equal to x2, we just print out the absolute difference of x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2. Either this is 0 or this is 0, so our answer is correct. And otherwise we just print out absolute of x1 minus x2 plus absolute of y1 minus y2 plus 2 seconds for the rabbit to move. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe.